Engineers, this is the battery BMS. So let me show you the fuse resistor. Check this out. So this is the fuse resistor. The next thing now is for you to replace the fuse resistor. In case you don't have it, don't worry. I will show you what to do. Okay, since you don't have it, you need to use a jumper wire to bypass it. I will show you how to do it right now. First of all, you have to remove it. You have to remove the whole fuse resistor that is not working. I want to remove this nylon first so that I can see the fuse resistor very well. Then I'll remove it. Take time to do this, engineers. Be very careful. Have in mind that there is voltage here, so you have to be very careful. Check this out, engineers. This is where the fuse resistor is. The next thing now is for you to scratch it with your sharp object. For me, I'm using tweezers. You can use your tweezers or your sharp object to scratch it. Make sure you take time to do it. Scratch it very well. Check this out. Engineers, check the way I'm doing my own. I take time to do it. Check this out. The next thing now is for me to remove the fuse resistor. Take time to do this, engineers. Apply lead. Take time to do this. You should be very careful. Check this out, engineers. Take time to do this. I just remove now. You can say just remove now. So let me put jumper wire. Check this out. Engineers, right now I want to put jumper wire. Check this out. Take time to do. Whenever you're doing anything on the battery BMS, take time to do it because there's voltage there. You have to be very careful. Or if you can remove the battery BMS, I recommend you remove it because you have to be very careful here. Please take note of this. Engineers, I'm done now. Check this out. Make sure you take time to connect your own. You can even make your own better than my own. So always take time to do it. Brush it very well. Brush it very well. Okay, after that, close it. Make sure you tape it very well. Tape it very well. Close it, please. Engineers, like I said, always take time to do your customer phone. Take time to do your customer phone. Your customers are your money making machine. Take time to do their phone so that they will enjoy your work and come back for more, right? Okay, check this out. I'm done. Let me fix everything. Take time to do all of these things, engineers. Take time is very simple. Fix it back. Fix it back. Take time to do it, engineers. The next thing now is for you to connect the battery. Okay, connect the battery. And now let me connect charger. Let me connect charger now. Okay, check this out. It will start charging. Okay, charging. Okay, you can see it start charging from 0. Engineers, if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section if you have. I have finally fixed slow charging, sometimes fast charging, sometimes battery getting shut down around 30 to 40%. Now I'm done. So this phone will not charge perfectly and last battery. The owner said after charging this phone, the battery is not lasting. Sometimes the phone will charge very fast. Sometimes it will charge very low. Guys, now the phone is 100% working. The phone will be taking time to charge, and at the end, the phone will last battery. And if you touch the panel now, the panel heats up to show that the charging IC is charging the battery. Now it's charging the battery with full arms, not the fuse resistor reducing the arms, and any up showing 100% without the battery getting to 100%. So it's now working. If you have questions, ask me in the comment section. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye bye for now. I love you all. Let me fix the phone for the owner. She's waiting for me and she wants to leave now. Otherwise, I would have kept this phone to 50% for you guys to see. If you have questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section. Thank you for watching and bye bye for now. I love you all.